beautiful cultural evening with our spirituality, singing the songs that were intoned in our churches and our community throughout history, of us being here. And then also, we have a wonderful guest speaker and presenter this evening. And I want to make sure that you all yet Okay. But I'm Victoria Smalls. You already know I'm the Director of History, Arts, and Culture here at Penn Center. And I just really want to welcome you all on behalf of our Board of Trustees and our Executive Director, Mr. Michael Campy. We have the pleasure of having Ladies Island Baptist Church Senior Choir this evening, and then also later we will have Israelite Baptist Church Senior Choir. But we're going to begin with two selections offered by the Ladies Island Baptist Church, and I'd like you to give them a round of applause as we bring them forward.
Don't be tempted by the shiny apple. Don't you eat the forbidden. Hunger only for a taste of justice. Hunger only for a world of truth is all that you have. Is your soul. I was a young girl once. I had dreams, I had high hopes. Married a man who stole my heart away. Gave his love, but what am I price to pay? All that you have is your soul. Don't be tempted by the shiny apple. Don't you eat the bitter. Hunger only for a taste of justice. Hunger only for a world of truth is all that you have is your soul. Why was I such a young fool? Learning history and debate was the best I could do. Learning something could be mine forever. Another highway one can't possess another. All that you have is your soul. Don't be tempted by the shiny apple. Don't you eat the bitter. Hunger only for a taste of justice. Hunger only for a world to be all that you have is your soul. I thought I could find a way. Be the system, make a deal and have the best to pay. Take it all, and take it all, and run away. Leave myself, first class and first rate. All that you have is your soul. Don't be tempted by the shiny apple. Don't you eat the bitter. Hunger only for a taste of justice. Hunger only for a world of truth. All that you have is your soul. Here I am, I'm waiting for a better day. Second chance, a little luck to come my way. Hope the dream, hope that I can sleep again. Waking the world with difference and some hands. All that you have is your soul. Don't be tempted by the shiny apple. Don't you eat the bitter. Hunger only for a taste of justice. Hunger only for a world to be all that you have is your soul. Oh, my mama told me, 'cause she said she learned the hard way. Said she once got the children. Don't give a second soul away, 'cause all that you have is your soul. All that you have. All that you have. All that you have. Is yours.
My soul couldn't rest contented. My soul couldn't rest contented until I found the Lord. I seek and I seek. My soul couldn't rest contented. My soul couldn't rest contented until I found the Lord. I tell you the truth. This up there, I tell you what's the story to take on the rest of you? Oh, what piece it up? Grab water and stand whatever I was. On the nice moon day. It can one cast it. Bring it on, I'm sure. Oh, grab water, get back on with that yellow rice. Strong down. Have all that is a frying brain. And have enough. Feed everybody with the air. Oh, you know you're so arrested. Because you're big, poor family. Look on the line, thing and say, grab water, take God for. Say, God is you, or leave my tower. Even this shall be. Oh, I never one woman, time to go out and be ways. And see little little thing today. So we can each other. We didn't know what I want people to find them for. They were the gang of songs like that in my And we had some work to do. We can't do all that carrying on. But they ain't carry. So we did a show. We said, oh, women, what a show is. Oh, what a song. Lord, you know what a show is. But grandpa, you can't make a show. I think I come here. God. Oh, one more again. When it comes, don't so content. Grab your kids, you're so happy content with times of love. But anyway, so people don't mix up now and mix up so and mix up so. Because they ain't finding out. And I'm going on, come out of somebody else to look for. I need chair, I need books, all in the wood. Look at it. Lord, they will have one of the final man and we find them alive. Every way. Yes, they have to run away. Right where we're going to do. We have to have a mind to do that. Have to have a heart. So, nothing. Because when the body ain't come back on to do that, the body will say, look, y'all, I do die for more real than sin. You understand? But grab what? And never yet such a time people now. And one of people, they're gonna. Then I get all that food and thing together, done clean up these skillets, done hang them big old skillet and thing right back on the wall. Now these children draw them up from the cabinet and say, woo, I have a different bread. You ain't must cook yet and you don't take bread. Bread, what? So what kind of people is you? Can't be like Big Daddy Mama there. Big Daddy Mama there is strong woman, y'all. Grab boy, how old is 16 head of children? Get him ready. Get him taking the damn one. Get him up and ready. Hit him there, Joe Lane Field. Hit him walk till in the grind up there in school. Arrested till in grind Bible school. All that. And what in a minute, the swamp thing punch from on. From out behind. Y'all know we've been tying up in that amphitheater from me. An amphitheater from me like this, yo. You had to be handled on to do this, yo. People be glad for that thing. My mom ain't going on the water. I tell her, I couldn't get on one and say, no man, get on one back. I'm having a modern time, man. And then, make them a living life upon you. Because great God, the most of them each other, they have plenty of it on a long time. So that's a living come from everybody. So glad. dressed still, y'all. And then what they said, because you know you would get these men in here and say, oh, yeah, let's settle back. Once they get you, he's dead. Ain't no fool out there and come see, you understand? Some go back on you. But most of the time, we ain't going back. That's why so much we still there. So they're going to try to run you. And then if you was grind off from home, you say, don't let him take it. He want to hide it. God is for enmity. And none of us will take and tell you, remember we're home. As long as you know it's home there, boy, got some place to come back to. And then in a home, for you have some place to come back to. Everyone family for deal to anyone. Want you to have a place where you're going to still go on the campus, going to still have young boys, going to still have the money, going to still have all the good obstacles and things like that. And I know some things people wishing they had all that shit. And some of you act fool. And you tell me what they're doing. Say, okay, hold on, free, ain't it? You're free, tell you fool. Say, come on, get down. He catches that shit. And you said, well, I ain't know why y'all got me to do so much of this. That's been made my back. Cause you ain't got no back in. What is? We've been a leech here. They said, what is y'all? They said, you ain't got them yet. You study what they did now. They're the signals. They're gonna go back. But when you get one back, oh, where God seems like the Lord everything come top that back way. Because now you have to take on responsibility. You have to walk. You got this thing short your house every month called bed. I wish Bill would do to somebody else. Can't divorce Bill going down. You can't do that. Bill's your every month. Nobody else is lying, but you can lie on Bill. Bill coming. Bill coming. You ain't gonna say, I might. Oh no, they're doing good every month. So all that we have to not forget funny stuff. And you go out, you know, otherwise the people don't understand things, baby. They're not even saying nothing. Say it, teacher. So they tell you, you know, he ain't nothing to him, yeah. You had this girl. He ain't nothing. Come on. Let me show you something. We have to go back there and show me something. Shoot me right here. They know once you go back this and that, you can't come back out. So you lose this y'all. You're trying to entice you. Give you criticize. But that way, you could have yet it at that. One of them so strong, see. And one ain't know where under the bed from. One ain't going to know where under the blind. And if you're going to stand there for that time, all sides you're going to stand. And you know one thing? You know no matter how I'm the soul. So this evening before I get you, the Lord speak to me and say, you know, you see that you're on top of prayer. But it said prayers purposefully, reaching and yielding. Purposefully reaching and yielding. You ain't just to reach right on the soul, but when you reach far, and when you reach way, and when you reach with your heart, reach with love and things like that. Yeah, nothing but goodness can come back to you. You understand? That's why he used to sing up that spirit. You understand? Y'all remember this song? Heaven belongs to you. Heaven belongs to you. Heaven belongs to you, my Lord. Heaven belongs to you. Heaven belongs to you. Heaven belongs to you. May people bless us. So, Hannah children, keep on praying for me. And I will pray for you. And for truth, all I have is your soul. God bless you, children.
Queen Plant, thank you. Thank God for you. Everyone, that was such a beautiful and blessed performance, presentation, education, not just about our culture, but definitely the number one thing about our culture, our spirituality. People come to visit our area and it's like, oh, we're the Bella people. And how can I find something that's going on? Bella's only the language. I'm like, no, sir. So first and foremost, Bella's our spirituality. First and foremost. So that was a wonderful applause and standing ovation. Thank you all for making her feel home again here and here in this building. And we'll be calling on you more and more. We're honored to have Israelite Baptist Church with us. And we would like to bring forward the senior choir for their 2 offerings. And then also following that, we'll have a spiritual by them for our offering. The offering is a support to Penn Center, to our public programs, our museum, many of the things that we do here, we do because of your support, and we truly appreciate that. And I'd like to bring forward Israelite Baptist Church.
Behind